Welcome to this video where we are going to be introduced to quadratic equations. So nung nasa 8th grade pa tayo, inintroduce sa atin ni equations na walang pinakamataas na exponent bukod sa 1. Ang tawag natin sa equations na yon ay linear equations. This time, ngayong nasa 9th grade na tayo, papakilala sa atin ngayon ng equation na kung tawagin ay quadratic equation. So illustrate natin, ano nga ba ang quadratic equation? So we have here an example of the Mona Lisa portrait na dinefine natin in dimension. Sabi, ito daw side na to ay may habang 2x plus 1. Habang itong side na to naman ay may habang 3x. Now, if we are asked to solve for the area of this Mona Lisa portrait, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is to multiply this side by this side. Because that's how you solve for the area of a rectangle, if you recall. The area of a rectangle is the product of the length and the width of a given rectangle. So kung ito yung ating width, 2x plus 1, ito naman yung ating length, 3x. To solve for the area of this portrait, kailangan lang nating i-multiply yung length, which is 3x, by the width, which is 2x plus 1. Subukan natin i-multiply. So we have 3x plus 2x, that will give us 6x squared. Minultiply yung coefficients, 3 times 2 is 6. And then, yung variables mo na parehas, in-add mo lang yung exponent, which is 1. Kaya naging 2. And then, 3x multiplied by 1 will give you positive 3x. This is now an expression representing the dimension of this portrait. Now, the actual area of the Mona Lisa portrait is 630 square inches. So, kung ito yung expression representing its dimension, pwede tayong gumawa ng equation using this, the actual area, and this expression. Magiging itsura niya, 6x squared plus 3x equals the actual area, which is 630. Now, this equation right here na na-generate natin ay halimbawa ng quadratic equation. By definition, a quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, walang ng e, where a, ito yun, b, ito naman yun, and c, which is this one, are all real numbers, and a can't be 0. Ibig sabihin ito raw a, yung coefficient ng first term mo, hindi pwedeng maging 0. Kasi kung iisipin, if this is 0, plug in natin. So we have 0 multiplied by x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is simply 0. So meron ka lang bx plus c equals 0. Which is pretty much familiar to us kasi ang degree niya is 1. And ang tawag natin sa ganyang uri ng equation ay linear equation. Now, bakit hindi pwedeng maging 0 si a? Because again, for an equation to be quadratic, dapat present yung term na naka-raise sa 2. So, let's say you're given another equation. Let's say we have x plus y equals 3. Hindi siya magiging quadratic. Bakit? Kasi ang highest degree na meron siya ay 1 lang. Paano siya magiging quadratic equation? If, in case, just for illustrative purposes, halimbawang merong 2 na exponent dyan. Then that is the time na itong equation na to ay pwede kong tawaging quadratic equation. Balikan natin yung example natin kanina. So sabi natin, halimbawa ng quadratic equation is 6x squared plus 3x equals 630. From this, you can actually define your a, b, and c. Kailangan mo lang munang i-rewrite siya sa standard form, which means kailangan naka-equate sa 0. Paano natin gagawin yun? Alisin lang natin 630 sa right side. Dali natin siya sa left side. So, 630 minus 630 will be 0. And then, sa left side, meron ka ng 6x squared plus 3x minus 630. Then, pwede mo nang i-define si a, b, and c. Kasi familiar na sa atin to. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A, obviously here, is 6. While b is positive 3. Na kung titingnan si c, although positive siya sa general form, tapos dito sa halimbawa natin negative, it's totally okay. Ibig sabihin lang nun yung value ni c mo is negative number. We are able to identify A, B, and C from this equation. Paano naman kung pinasolve sa inyo ang value ni x mula sa equation na to? Ang tawag naman sa hinahanap mo ay solutions or roots of a quadratic equation, which is pretty much what we will be talking about sa ating mga susunod na videos. But for the meantime, I think this is all you need to know to be introduced to quadratic equations. Again, recall natin, siya ay equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, kung saan yung a, b, and c ay real numbers. Ito yung tatlo, tapos yung a hindi pwedeng maging 0. Kasi pag 0 siya, nagiging linear yung equation mo. Kailangan palaging present yung term na naka-raise sa 2.